Dear students, in the previous lecture, we have given some formula to prove the trigonometric identities. Now, we are starting the exercise 3.3 of your textbook, and by using the trigonometric formula, prove that the given identities. So, first, we take question first of exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Question is very simple. Prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 and minus tan square pi by 4 minus tan square pi by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So question is sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So simply put the values of their angles by the trigonometry table. So taking left hand side, sine square pi by 6 you can write as sine pi by 6 square. Cos square pi by 3 you can write cos pi by 3 square. And tan square pi by 4 is tan pi by 4 square. So we are taking the left hand side of this function. You know that pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree. Pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree. Pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. Pi by 3 is 60 degree. Pi by 2 is 90 degree. 3 pi by 4 is 135 degree. And 5 pi by 6 is 150 degree. And pi is 180 degree and so on. So these are the normally, ये तो याद होना चाहिए. So sine pi by 6 means sine 30 and sine 30 is 1 by 2 by the trigonometry table. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60 or cos 60 also 1 by 2 minus tan pi by 4 tan 45 is 1 square. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1, that is 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2, which is equal to right hand side. ये proof हो जाता है first question. So simply we have put the values of the different given angles from the trigonometric table. Now question number 2. In this question, prove that the following identity is 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. And it is equal to 3 by 2. Prove that 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So taking left hand side. 2 sine square pi by 6 is sine pi by 6 square. Because we know that Sin n theta is equal to sin theta whole power n and not equal to sin theta raised to the power n. Both are the different things. So, this is cosec 7 pi by 6 square and cos pi by 3 square. Substitute their values. 2 sin pi by 6 30 or sin 30 is 1 by 2 square. Its value is not applicable in the trigonometric table from 0 to 90 degree. So break this angle as cosec pi plus pi by 6 and square. So pi 6 pi plus pi 7 pi. First divide both of them and write down 7 pi by 6 as pi plus pi by 6. And cos 60 is 1 by 2 square. So this one is 2 into 1 by 4 और इसको रीड करें cosec 180 plus theta is minus cosec theta. आइडेंटिटी यूज करें जो हमने पहले लेक्चर में बताई थी एएसटीसी यूज करें तो वो पाई मीन्स 180 दिस वन सपोज थीटा so this is a cosec 180 plus theta. Cosec 180 plus theta is minus cosec theta. Theta means pi by 6 square and its square is 1 by 4. Cancel 1 by 2 minus cosec pi by 6 cosec 30 or cosec 30 is 2 square into 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 and plus its square is 4 and 1 by 4 cancel 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 and this is RHS. तो ये प्रूफ हो जाता है then its value is 2 pi by 3. This one is equal to 1 by 2 4 into 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 is RHS. So simply we have proved that this is equal to 3 by 2. Now question third is question 3. Prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Sorry, is equal to 6. Prove that this one. So in question number 3, we want to prove that cot square pi by 3, 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. So taking left hand side and this can be write down as cot pi by 6 whole square and this one is cosec 5 pi by 6 change as pi minus pi by 6. Divide this one, इसको divide करें 5 divided by 6 1 जा 6 minus 1 times तो इसको आप लिख सकते हैं 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 pi by 6. यहां पे पाई लगाते यहां पे पाई लगाए तो pi minus pi by 6 and this write down as 3 tan pi by 6 square. Cot square pi by 6, cot pi by 6 30, cot 30 is under root 3 square. And in this case, applying the identity cosec 180 minus theta is cosec theta. Because 180 minus theta lie in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. So cosec 180 minus theta is cosec theta. That is cosec pi by 6. And 3, tan pi by 6, tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3 square. Squaring this one, 3, cosec pi by 6, cosec 30 is 2, and 3 into 1 by 3. So, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6, is equal to right hand side. Now, next is question number 4. Prove that 2 sine square 3 pi by 4, 2 sine square 3 pi by 4, 2 cos square pi by 4, and plus 2 sec square pi by 3. 2 sec square pi by 3, and prove that it is equal to 10. So, question number 4th is, so that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is 10. So, taking left hand side of this, 2 sin 3 pi by 4 square and 2 cos pi by 4 square and 2 sec pi by 3 square. Because this angle is larger than the 90 degree and there is a table applicable for 0 to 90 degree. तो हमारे पास 0 से 90 की टेबल एप्लीकेबल है, but this angle is more than 90. So first convert this angle between 0 to 90. So 2 sine, divide both of them. So we can write down as pi minus pi by 4 and square. 3 pi by 4, divide करें 3 by 4 को, so this is a 1 minus 1 by 4, taking 1 as pi, so pi minus pi by 4. And 2 times of cos 45 under root 2 square and 2 times of sec 60, that is 2 square. Now, 2 sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Whole square plus 2 into 1 by 2 or 2 into 4. That is 2 sin 45 1 by 2 square plus 1 or plus 8. So 1 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 10. This is right hand side. So, ये है solution question number 4. Now, we discuss question number 5. Question 5 is, find the value of sin 75. First part. Find the value of sin 75 degree. So we use the identity because trigonometric table do not have any 75 degree angle to find out the sin 75. So break this 75 degree in such a way that thus it become the sum of two known angle or difference of two known angle. तो इसको हमने इस तरीके से ब्रेक करना है कि या तो ये दो नॉन एंगल का सम आए या ये दो नॉन एंगल का डिफरेंस आए. तो साइन 75 डिग्री वी कैन राइट डाउन एज sin 45 and plus 30 because in trigonometric table 45 and 30 both are the available. So this become sin 45 plus 30 as sin A plus B. तो अब हमने यहां पर आइडेंटिटी यूज करनी है. sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A and sin B. So, replace A by 45 or B by 30, that is sin 45, cos 30 and cos 45 and sin 30. We know that sin 45 is 1 upon under root 2, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, and cos 45 1 by under root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So taking LCM 2 under root 2, so under root 3 plus 1. This is the value of sin 75. So simply we have break 75 as sum of the two known angle 45 plus 30, and we have applied sin A plus B identity in which A put as 45, B put as 30 degree. So we getting the value sin 75 is under root 3 plus 1 upon 2 under root 2. Second part is find the value of tan 15. Find the value of tan 15. On the same manner, this 15 degree break as the difference of the two known or known angles. So इसको हम दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. This one is tan 45 minus 30 और 60 minus 45, और आप इसको लिख सकते हैं 45 minus 30, ये भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. So 15 degree break as the difference of the two known angle tan 60 minus 45, and this is the identity just like tan A minus B, and tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B and 1 plus tan A into tan B. So in this identity replace A by 60 or B by 45. So tan 60 minus tan 45 upon 1 plus tan 60 and tan 45. Substitute the value of tan 60 is under root 3, tan 45 is 1, or 1 plus under root 3 and 1. Now, so this tan for 15 degree is equal to under root 3 minus 1, and this can write down 1 plus under root 3 as under root 3 plus 1. इसको आप under root 3 plus 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. Now find the proper value rationalized by the conjugate of the denominator, that is under root 3 minus 1 से हमने इसको rationalize करना है. That is under root 3 minus 1 square, and in denominator A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. So applying A minus B whole square, under root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 under root 3 into 1 and 3 minus 1. That is 4 minus 2 under root 3 by 2. 2 taking common, 2 minus under root 3 by 2. So tan 15 degree is 2 minus under root 3. This is the value of tan 15 degree. In continuation, we prove that the next question number 6. Prove that cos 45 minus y, cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x and sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Is equal to sin x plus y. This one is the trigonometric identity in which we want to prove that cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x and cos pi by 4 minus y. So taking left hand side. Cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, sin pi by 4 minus x and sin pi by 4 minus y. So there are the two types of the angle which are the repeated in for cos and sin. One angle is pi by 4 minus x, second angle is pi by 4 minus y. So let pi by 4 minus x is A and pi by 4 minus y is B. ये हम पुट कर लेते हैं, दो एंगल है रिपीट हो रहे. So this become cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Substitute pi by 4 minus x is A, pi by 4 minus y is B, pi by 4 minus x is A, pi by 4 minus y is B. So this is the identity cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is the identity of cos A plus B. And वापस इनकी वैल्यू पुट करें. This is equal to cos. A means pi by 4 minus x and pi by 4 minus y. इनकी वैल्यू वापस पुट करें. So this is equal to cos pi by 4 is pi by 2 and minus x plus y. So now we can read as cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this becomes sin x plus y, or this is equal to right hand side. So this is the solution of the question number 6. Next is now question number 7. Question number 7 is prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x minus 1 upon 1 minus tan x whole square. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x and tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x and 1 minus tan x square. So this one identity is tan pi by 4 plus x or tan pi by 4 minus x. So there are the two identities. We know that tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B 1 minus 10a into 10b. And second is 10a minus b is 10a minus 10b or 1 plus 10a into 10b. So, we are using these identities to prove the given identity. So, taking left hand side. Tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. दो आइडेंटिटीज आपको गिवन है, आपने दो आइडेंटिटी यूज करनी है. सो लेट अस सपोज दिस वन एज ए, दिस वन एज बी, दिस वन एज ए, दिस वन एज बी. सो अप्लाइंग tan a plus b in numerator or applying tan a minus b in denominator. So numerator is tan a. A means pi by 4 plus tan b. B means tan x. 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So in this case, we have using tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a into tan b. And in denominator, tan a minus b, a is tan pi by 4, tan b means minus tan x, and 1 plus tan pi by 4 and into tan x. Now, we know that tan 45 is 1. So tan 45 is 1. This become 1 plus tan x and 1 minus tan x or into 1. Tan 45 is 1. And 1 minus tan x or 1 plus 1 into tan x. So we can also write down as 1 plus tan x, 1 minus tan x, it's making reciprocal and multiplying with the numerator. So this become 1 plus tan x and 1 minus tan x square, not square. So इसको reciprocal करके multiply करें. So 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. Then 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x, 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x. This become as 1 plus tan x whole square or 1 minus tan x whole square. So this is equal to right hand side. This is the solution of the question number 7. So dear students, next question we will try in the next lecture. Thank you and goodbye.